Hello my friends, today we're cooking cottage cheese pancakes. So we need one bag of cottage cheese, of course. It's going to be 5%. We're going to put in the whole bag. It's for the 2 people. We need 2 spoons of sugar. We need 2 spoons of flour. 1 egg. One more thing. We need vanilin, just a little. And we have to shake it off. Look, just. We have to put the flour on the table, of course. See, just like that. Then what we're gonna do, we take with our hands, making like a balls, like a snowballs in the winter. See, just like that. When the balls are made, we have to dip them in flour. This will give them the shape and put them aside. Per 1 bag cottage cheese, I get usually 6 balls. It's enough for 2 people again, as I mentioned before. Okay, next step is we have to send them to the pan fry. We scalp the pancakes or cottage cheese cakes. We have to put butter on it. See, like I put the butter, so I make sure it's gonna melt it, of course. All right, the butter melted. Now it's ready to send this cottage cheese cake on the pan. Just like that. Medium fire. All right. Yes, medium fire. We have to bake them about 5 minutes, 6 minutes. Just make sure it's gonna be pink color from the both sides. Time to flip this around, and the color, it should be some pinkish or a little brown. Again, don't forget we're cooking it for 7-6 minutes, so you're gonna choose it, up to you in the end how long you will. Alright, our cottage cheese is ready. Just look at this, it just made it perfect, and it's ready to eat my breakfast. By the way, this is breakfast or lunch, it's up to you, because it has a lot of protein. Cottage cheese has a lot of protein. Now, we usually eat it with the sour cream, ice cream, or jelly. So I'm gonna try it with the sour cream. You see the cottage cheese is right inside. Jelly too. It's good with the jelly. But you can have real berries. You know what to do. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye.